Let's get into what I got in my May PR Ipsy unboxing. I got my PR icon box, Boxycharm by Ipsy, as well as my Ipsy Glam bag. Let's get into this. And yes, I'm filming downstairs because my kids are asleep. The lighting looks pretty good though, right? Okay, first we're gonna do Ipsy Glam bag. If you didn't check out my spoilers, I did post the Boxycharm by Ipsy spoilers. Some of the products were not my spoilers because they're spoilers. They don't post everything. Not everything is available online. It's in the bag, in the box. Try my best finding things on the internet. If you don't want to miss any spoilers on FabFitFun and Boxycharm and Ipsy, I would click subscribe and give this video a like so you don't miss out. And also show some engagement. Look at this bag. And I also posted what I chose for my pay for box. I also pay for the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Anyway, look at this. This is so pretty. If you want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy or get the icon box, I would click the link down below. I don't get any commission from it. You get like a couple bucks, you get some money off. Look at this for spring. So pretty. It's like a white gold one. And then it just has Ipsy. SL Miss Glam Powder RO3 brush. Oh, it's really, really soft. Cute little gemmies. This I think I could do like setting powder or like a highlighter. Maybe like bronzer. This is very, very pretty. It's very soft. And then this is from Vintage. I think it's Vintage Cosmetics by Jessica Liebskind. I don't know what this is. If this is a lip gloss or it's okay. It's a lip gloss in the shade Blush. It's a really pretty like pink color. Well, like a pinky mauve. It's pretty. And then we have from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their clear brow gel. I think it's a full size. It does have some parabens in it, but it is vegan. It says vegan right there. And then we have from this packaging is pretty cool, kind of psychedelic. This is from Toy Factory. This is their hyaluronic acid serum mascara. I don't know if I've tried a mascara that has hyaluronic acid, but I don't know, something about the packaging is pretty cool. Your serum mascara are now one. Hydrate your eyelids and root of your eyelashes with our hyaluronic acid serum mascara for a healthy, bold, long-lasting lash. So I don't know if this is vegan, cruelty-free right there. I don't know if this is supposed to be for lengthening or what it is, but well, that was pretty cool. Also on Ipsy Glam bag, I got the Dallas & James Skincare Company Watermelon Dream, the Cloud Cream Gel to Water Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's supposed to be hydrating, watermelon and antioxidant, superfruit, cloudberry, and pore perfecting niacinamide for velvety smooth skin. Yes, I did do my icon box in Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's why I'm wearing a lip color. To the past, Brianna. I say it's pretty good. Boxycharm by Ipsy box, which like I said, I do also subscribe to. This is Willie, my cat. We got the Ain't Saints Soulmate Brightening Treatment. It's like this kind of like, I don't know, soft matte texture. Soft matte packaging, it's really nice. It has hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin E. He loves plastic. He has like pica or something. Glycolic acid sheds dull top layer. Skin cells to unveil visibly brighter skin. Reduces appearance of age spots and discoloration. Hyaluronic acid, the pinnacle of hydrators, instantly plumps skin and reduces fine lines. See visible results in 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna test this out. Maybe we'll do a video on some skincare that sounds kind of BS-y. It says try our bestsellers free, scan me. All right, well maybe I'll have to do that too. It's right there, you can scan it to get some free stuff. I think my cat sees like bugs outside and he thinks he's gonna magically be able to go out because that's why he's scratching. And then I have tried the mini of this, but this is the full size of the Polite Society Greatest Lashes of All Time. They are the original founders. Are you okay? He just fell down. He's okay. Cats, have 9 lives. So they are the original members of Too Faced. They did sell their company. And also their parent company is Estee Lauder, but I like this mascara. Now that is like Clumpy Delicious right there. That is not false lashes. That's the actual eyelashes, like my eyelashes. And yeah, I thought it was a good mascara. It says no smoke and mirrors here. Results are amazing. These were shot with a phone. It's kind of cool. And there's what the brush looks like, but it's a really good mascara. So that is pretty nice. And then we got a body scrub from Love Script Your Body is a Temple, Polish It, by Lauren Francis. So yeah, got a body scrub. Looks like some pink sugar, but the scent is, it is a sugar plum body polish. So I don't know who Lauren Francis is, but the brand is Love Script. So yeah, it's pretty good size. And then we have it's from Half Caked. This is the Script, but it's like, you know, Script RX primer and lip liner. Now we have Elsa on the dresser over there. Look at this thing, like, it's pretty big. All right, so we got ooh, I like the color. That's really pretty. And it does go back down, and then we have, I don't know if I've tried a lip primer before. No scent. That's pretty cool. And then last but not least, which I did not want to get, but I did get, whenever I get monetized, as well as hit 1,000 followers on either TikTok or Instagram or both, I will be doing a giveaway. So we've been there. We have this humongous palette from Scotty London. The packaging is cute, I will say that. It's like texture, like raised. This is the I Am Woman, What's Your Superpower, Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. There are 24 eyeshadows. It is like a soft matte. It does feel nice. The packaging is cool, but I just usually don't like these eyeshadow palettes. So I'm not gonna touch it until I know, but I have a lot of stuff to go into a giveaway actually. Some stuff from Boxycharm. Okay, ooh, actually, it smells kind of chemically. I don't know what it is. It looks like it's been like, I don't know. These look pretty. But I don't know what, like, see all the, I don't know. I guess there's some extra shadow. I'm not usually that picky, but yeah, I will clean that up before it goes into giveaway. But this is pretty, but it's just kind of boring to me. But I know some people might like something that's boring, but like this shimmer here looks really pretty. And then this one looks pretty, but I'm not gonna swatch it because like I said, I'm probably gonna put it in a giveaway. But it does look like there are metallics, mattes. It's probably like a good everyday palette for a lot of people. To wear to like work, or if you want to like have the purples for fun. I don't know if the purples actually stay true purple. I feel like if you're gonna say something's purple, it needs to be like a lot more purple than just the packaging personally, but again, it might be perfect for some people. So that is what I got in the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. And then the icon box. I love this color, it's just really pretty. From Patrick Starr himself, who owns One Size. And if you haven't been around YouTube, if you weren't watching beauty YouTube for a long time, he is like an icon box. So I have only tried the One Size setting powder. That's it. So I'm really excited to get into this. This is the One Size Lip Snatcher, and he has like metallic red as like his color in Be About It. I think I'm like, have people been like eating this or something? Look at that. It kind of looks like kind of sexual, if you know what I mean. See, does it have a smell? This is the Cushion Gloss. Kind of like loose, not loose, but like not like super. Ooh, it's like a vanilla cupcake. Ooh, that smells good. Because I will get to another product in a second that's no longer cruelty. The brand's no longer cruelty free. Thank you for selling in China. And then. Ooh, it smells good. Oh no. The only thing about being fair skinned is a lot of stuff looks orange. Like kind of weird. That looks orange. And yeah, my teeth look really gross. Really gross. This is are they both lip gloss? Oh, this is the Velvet Flex Cream. The color is just not, it does like dry down. Let's just see for giggles if it actually is kiss proof. Not yet. Still smells really good. I'm gonna use the gloss on top. This has shimmer. I'm usually not a big shimmer person, but if I don't like this, I'll just give it to my sister. Oh, it's pigmented going on here. The applicator is not the most precise. I'm just being nitpicky, but I'm just letting you guys know. Oh my God, but it's just not my, it's not like, I don't know. It is like a paddle, it's like bendable. I mean, they smell good, but I don't know if this is gonna be for me. So like I said, I might just get it to my sister. Oh my God. All right. I'm gonna try to take a thumbnail of that. And then it smells good though. Yeah, not like revolutionary, but still. And then this I know is bougie. This is from Biro, which I picked out a Biro retinol cream for my Boxycharm By Ipsy as my boost. So, and that was like 100 and, ooh, now it's like dry in my hand. That was like $110. So I know this brand is bougie. Biro Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream, a hydrating lightweight cream infused with a concentrated blend of basil and profade complex for luminous skin. And yeah, it looks kind of fancy. Ooh, it's kind of, yep, you pump it out, a little bit comes out here. That's cute. Fancy, fancy. Made in Korea. Oh, it's a Korean skincare brand. Cool. And then we have, I wanted the mascara, but I'll just pick it up sometime. This is the One Size Point Made Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Oh, I didn't realize it's brown, in Busty Brown. I don't think I have it. Well, let's, okay. Please don't be a felt tip. Please don't be a felt tip, because I've been getting a lot of felt tips. Ooh, the packaging is kind of cool. That ain't gonna get lost because it's red. Oh, come on. It is pretty thin, but let's see. It is pretty bendable. Like, look. Make it big, small. I don't see any bleeding too. We'll see that dries down, but we shall see. I like the color though, like it's like a chocolate. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. This is why I don't like filming at night. It doesn't really like seem like it's closed, like see, so it doesn't make it like a And then we have also from Kosas, this is their Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. I only tried Kosas concealer and I'm sorry, but I did not like it. I know a lot of people liked it, but I did not. It creased, it just not very good. I didn't like the coverage. This is, I know, bougie. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because, or I might give it to my mother-in-law because I don't need this. I just use castor oil, so I think that'd be cool to go in a giveaway. This is from Benefit, this is, which I know Patrick really likes Benefit. They're not cruelty free. I wish they were. There's a lot of brands I'm like, hello, like I wish you would go cruelty free, but you're not, so I can't use you. Sorry, I feel bad because of the animals, like vegan, cruelty free over here. Hence the name, Vegan Brie. But yeah, this is gonna go to a good home, just not my home. This, and I love the color. But this is the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. We have another bougie thing. This is actually like in bubble wrap, but like, I don't know if you can see the shimmer, but like, and this thing is heavy. Like it looks like a cocktail shaker. This is the Derma Lactives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Purifying Cleansing Gel. I need to double check to make sure. Okay, so it is cruelty free, or it says no animal testing. And I don't see anything that would make it not vegan. Oh, I need to double check. It says collagen, so I need to double check that this is vegan. If not, I will put it on the screen. And it has no parabens, recyclable, made in the US. It's California. I mean, it looks nice, but I hope it's vegan so I can actually use it. And it definitely is expensive. We have from Vacation. I picked their fragrance in FabFitFun. I also do spoilers and unboxings for FabFitFun. But this is the Vacation SPF 30 baby oil, broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen oil. I think that's cool. Sunscreen oil. I've never used something like this before. My husband's like, how do you know it's gonna be good? I'm like, does it smell good? I'm excited about the fragrance. I feel like I'm gonna spill this all over the place. Probably shouldn't have said that. But I wanna smell it. Smells like what you think, like baby oil. It just, yeah, it smells good. I mean, I don't know, I guess the fragrance is supposed to be good, but like kind of cool, like the shape of it. I don't know. Anyways, I'm excited to try that, especially since it's sunscreen oil. So I'm assuming it's hydrating. And then the only product that I'm mad at, even though they were cruelty free a couple weeks ago that I knew of, but now they sell in China, Fenty. I'm so irritated because I really like the Fenty lip gloss. I like the Fenty Eavesdrops. I like, what else have I tried from Fenty? I like Rihanna. I'm not like a huge Rihanna fan, so don't be asking me no songs. But I'm irritated. I'm really irritated. Like, it would sell out to China. Like, thanks NARS and a bunch of other brands. But this is the refillable lipstick. It is a case, and then so it's like a black case, and then this is the refillable lipstick in Mother Lover, which the colors look so pretty. But I'm pissed. Like, why would you do that? Why? But maybe I'll just, I don't know if I'll give this to my mom or not. It's or I might give this to somebody. This is semi-matte, so I don't know. My mother-in-law, somebody, but I'm not gonna use it because it's not cruelty-free. Sorry, but not sorry, kind of irritating. So yeah, and let me show you Patrick Starrr if you've never seen Patrick Starrr before. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Like, that is just so cool. But let me know, do you subscribe to Ipsy or Boxycharm, or do you get the icon box quarterly? Would you have liked any of these products? What would you have not liked to receive? And put those in the comments down below. And because I told you guys my thoughts, tell me your thoughts. As always, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy.